Hey guys, it's Mr. Blais with another cool tech tip of the week. Today I'm going to just do a quick one. It's just how to use the moderator controls. So when you're in charge of running a Google Meet, you know who can see what, who can hear what, and being able to control the chat. Some important features so your chat does not get ambushed, or sorry, your Meet does not get ambushed. So I'm just going to join on Google Meet. Call this moderator test, whatever you want. I'm going to click join. And here you can see you can add people, copy joining code, but you won't have to worry about that for this video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show where the moderator controls are. You're just seeing my webcam live right now. So I'm going to select settings, 3 dots in the bottom right. Then you're going to go ahead and change a few things. Select right here the little gear. You can just check on your mic. You can see my mic is working, the speakers. You can do a test there. You can also change your microphone if you're on the right mic. Video, I like to just change the definition as well to HD so it looks better on both ends. Lastly, the most important part are the host controls. Only the host, that's you, the host of the Meet, have these controls. So quick access, everything is defaulted to on. So make sure you adjust these prior to your Meet actually starting. Like as soon as you log in. Only people invited by the host can join without asking. People can't join anonymously, right? When turned off. Only host can dial out of a meeting. So I want to turn all of these off by clicking that slider. All right, because when that's off, only people invited by the host can join without asking, and people can't join anonymously. That's important. We don't want any Meet bombers coming in. Share the screen. We don't want people to share their screen. Send chat messages. That's personal preference, but I'd recommend having that off unless you think parents are going to ask questions. In that case, maybe they can just unmute. It might be a little easier. And then you could just mention all of the how you're going to communicate. If parents want to talk, they can unmute if you want that allowed. Then I'm just going to X out, and then you notice the settings are good. So last thing, you can also adjust the chat if you decide you want to turn the chat on later. You can just slide this on. And that is how you use the moderator controls for Google Meet. Hopefully this helps you out, and I wish you good luck at your Meet. Take care and have a great day.